Dry steam power plants extract steam directly from the Earth's depths, utilizing it to spin turbines for electricity generation. These plants are relatively rare due to the limited availability of locations producing dry steam. The first dry steam plant was constructed in Tuscany, Italy in 1904. Among the three types of geothermal power plants, dry steam requires the highest temperature to convert water to steam and drive turbines. Despite this, it uses minimal liquid water, hence the term dry steam.